Okay, so in the last video lecture we have seen how to solve the line integral. Okay, we'll continue that. Okay, so this is the next problem. Find the line integral of f of x y z, x plus y plus z over the straight line segment this. Okay, solution of 1. Okay, so given that f of x y z is equal to x plus y plus z. Okay, so I is equal to integral over c f of x y z ds. This is integral over c f of x y z mod of v bar dt. Mod of v bar dt. Okay, so we have to find mod of v bar this. Okay, okay, so c is the segment joining. C is the segment joining 1 2 3 2 0 minus 1 1. Okay, so therefore r bar of t is equal to 1 2 okay 1 minus t. Okay, 1 minus t 1 2 3 plus t into 0 minus 1 1. This is equal to, okay, so these are the values of x y z we get. Okay, so what is this then? 1 minus t, okay, into 1, okay, plus t into 0, so that is 0, that is this is 1 minus t, this is what 1 minus t. Okay, so now this is what see 1 minus 2 into, this is what 2 minus 2t, then this is what minus t, so this is what 2 minus 3t, 2 minus 3t. Okay, so then this is what 3 minus 3t and t into 1, so this is what plus t, so 3 minus 2t, 3 minus 2t. So what is v bar? You have to differentiate that only. This is what minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. You have to differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate. This is what minus 2. Okay, and what is mod of v bar then? Root of the square of this one is what? 1 plus 9 plus 4. 1 plus 9 plus 4. So that is what? 10. So this is 15. This is what? Root 15. So it is what? Oh, root 15. Root 14. This is root 14. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. So you got v. Okay. So now we'll write your usual integration. This is what I. So now range of t is what here? Range of t is always 0 to 1. This is t less than equal to 1. Okay. So range is 1 now here. Okay. So 0 to 1. Okay. So what is your f of x, y, z? You have to take the sum of this one. You have to take 1 minus t plus 2 minus 3t plus 3 minus 2t. Mod of v bar is what? Root 14 dt. And just you have to integrate this. This is very easy now. This is very easy. Okay. So this is what? Root 14. I will take out. This is integration of. We'll simplify first this. What is the constant? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 5. This is 6. Then this is what? Minus. Okay. All are negative. No problem here. All are negative here. So minus 3t. This is t. Okay. Minus 4. So minus 6t dt. Okay. So this is what? Root 14. So what? 6t minus 3t square. Okay. Integration of 60 is what? 6 into t square by 2. To get cancelled. Overall you can do this one. Okay. So this is what then? 0 to 1. If you put t is equal to 0, your lower limit is 0. So this is what then? Root 14. 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3 root 14 is your answer. So your required answer is 3 root 14. Okay. Now we go to the second one now. Solution of the second. So integrate f of x, y, z. F of x, y, z what? X plus twice y. X plus twice y minus z square. Okay. Now this is set. Okay. So C is what? Okay. So there are separate problem for this one. There are separate problem for this one. Okay. So okay. So 1 for C1 you have to find. Okay. Integral for C1 will write here. Okay. So we'll write 1. Okay. C, no problem here. C. Okay. So 1 for C1. Okay. So r bar of t t k bar. Okay, so v bar is equal to k bar. Mod of v bar is equal to 1, because this is the unit vector. I bar, j bar, k bar are the unit vector. Okay, so now your i's integral over c1. Okay, integral over c1. Okay, f of x y z ds is equal to, directly you write now, this is 0 to 1. Okay, so formula is known to you, f of x y z. Okay, so your x is what? X is 0, y is 0. So here what we will write here? What? X is 0, y is 0, z is equal to t. Z is equal to t. So you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to z is equal to 2. So this is what? Minus t square. This mod of p bar is 1. Mod of p bar is 1. So this is what? Into 1 we will write. Into 1 dt. So this is what? Minus t cube upon 3. 0 to 1. So minus 1 by 3. So your first answer is minus 1 by 3. Oh, this is not actually. Okay, just we will write this is C. Okay. So this we have to write integral over C1 f ds plus integral over C2 f ds plus integral over C3 f ds. Okay. So we have to find all these three integrals and then we have to add this. Okay. Second, r bar of t is equal to so we have given that this integral over the path joining from by this is c1 c2 c3, that means from this to this to this. So this is the meaning of this one. Okay, so r bar of t is equal to what? Then second curve is what? Second your c2 is what? tj bar plus k bar. tj bar plus k bar. So that is v bar is what? Then v bar is same as what? Just j bar. Okay, so I will okay, no problem. Okay. R bar is given, no problem here. So mod of v bar is what? Then 1. Mod of v bar. Okay, so I is integral over c2 f of x y z ds is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, so here what? Your x is 0, y is t, and z is equal to 1. We'll put here. This is your x. Okay, so this is what? 0. This is 2y, means this is 2t minus 1, and this is what? 1 now, and this is what? dt. This is equal to dt. So this is what? Then t square minus t, 0 to 1. So this is 0. This integral is 0. This integral is 0. This integral is 0. Okay. Next, third. R bar of t is equal to what is R bar of t for C3? Tj bar, Ti bar plus j bar plus k bar. Okay. So v bar is equal to what then? V bar is equal to I bar. Mod of v bar is equal to what? 1. Okay. So here x is equal to t, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. Okay. So integral over C3 f of x y z ds is equal to 0 to 1. Okay. So your x is your function is what? X plus twice y. Okay. So we'll write this is what? X plus 2 minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. This is what? 1 and dt. So now this is what? X plus not x plus 1. This is t plus 1. Okay. And we'll write directly integration of this one. Okay. T square plus 1 is what? T square by 2 plus t. Okay. 0 to 1. So this is what? 3 by 2. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay. So therefore I is equal to, so what is integral over C1? We'll write this is I1, I2 and this is what I3 will write is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So your I1 is what? Minus 1 by 3. I2 is what? I2 is 0. Your I3 is what? 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. So this is what? 9. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7 by 2. So your final answer is oh, 7 by 6, not 7 by 2. So this is what? 3 into 2. This is 6 now. Okay. So this is correct now. Okay. Do the calculation correctly. This is what we have to cross multiply this. Okay. Minus 2 plus 9 upon 3 into 2. That is 6. Okay. Our answer is correct. Next. Evaluate. That means what? Suppose your curve is like this, this. Then this is C1, this is C2, then this is C3. Then this is your C now. Okay. So this your total curve is C now. Integral over C is same as what? C1 plus C integral over C2 plus integral over C3. You can do like this. Suppose this is what a parabola. Okay. This is parabola. Then this is the circle. Suppose this is the circle. Some part of the circle, half part of the circle. Then this is what, then this part will be the ellipse down then. Okay, something like this is your curve. Then this is what C1 plus C2 plus C3 like this. So same thing we did here in this problem. Evaluate integral over C at dx where C is a straight line segment x is equal to t, y is equal to t by 2 from 0 0 to 4 2 from 4 2, and b is what? The parabolic curve x is equal to t, y is equal to t square from 0 0 to 4 both the now this is what? This is straight line and this is parabola. Okay, so this is 0 0 to 4 2. So we have to integrate over C, and this is your C. So these are two separate problems. We'll solve these as separately now. Okay, solution A now. Okay, let I is equal to integral over C x ds. Okay, so this is integral over C x mod of v bar dt, Okay. Okay, so here r bar of t is equal to t I bar plus t by 2 j bar. Okay, so v bar is equal to I bar plus 1 half j bar. Okay, so mod of v bar is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4. So this is what? Root 5 by 2. This is root 5 by 2. Okay, so therefore I is equal to, what is the C? If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, you get t is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 4 here, so your t is 4. Your t is what? 4, right? And if you put y is equal to 2, see your t is 4. So that means what here? T is 1 now. The value of t is 1. So when x is equal to this 0 0, at 0 0 your t is 1. At 4 2 your t is at 0 0 your t is 0. At 4 2 your t is 1. Okay. So that means this limit is 0 to 1. Your x is what? X is t here. X is t. Okay. So t into mod of v bar is what? Root 5 by 2 dt. So this is what then? Root 5 by 2 t square by 2 0 to 1. So root 5 by 2 into half. So this is root 5 by 4. So your answer is root 5 by 4. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So here not t what? Your x is 0, 0, t 0. If you put x is equal to 4, t is 4, not t is 1. Not t, t is 4 now. So this you have to do this for 4 now. Okay. So this is what then 16 by 2, 8. Okay. 8 means 4 now. Okay. This is 4 now. So this is what? Root 5. You have to find the value of t now. T is not 1 here. So okay. Second b now. Okay. I is equal to integral sorry ds you will see x mod of v bar dt now. Okay. So your r bar of t is what it is provided to you. This is what t I bar. Okay. T I bar plus t square j bar. Okay. So d v bar is equal to right v bar. Okay. So v bar is equal to what I bar plus 2t j bar. Okay. So mod of v bar is equal to root of 1 plus 4t square. Okay, doesn't matter. So it is not a constant. Okay. So we'll do this. Okay. So now your I is equal to integration. Now see here. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, your t is 0. X is equal to 2. Okay. X is equal to 2. So is equal to t. Y is equal to what? 4. 4 is equal to t square. So your t is what? 2. So t is 2 satisfy both the equations. So that means this is what? 0 to 2. What is your x? X is your t. And your mod of v bar is what? 1 plus 4. This is what? Root of 1 plus 4 t square dt now. Okay. So what is the derivative of this? This is 8t. Derivative of this is what? 8t. Okay. So I will adjust 8t now here. Okay. So this is 1 by 8, 0 to 2, 8t root of 1 plus 4t square dt. Okay. So if you are adjusting the derivative of root of this, then this will play the role of the only root t. What is the integration of root t? T raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So what is your t now? Your t is same as 1 plus 4t now. 4t to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. And this is what? 0 to 2. Okay. So we'll put 2 now. Okay. So this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay. We'll put t is equal to 2. So this is what? 8. This is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 to the power 3 by 2. So 9 to the power 3 by 2 means what? This is 3 square to the power 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. This is what? 3 to the power 3. So this is what? 27. This is 27. If you put t is equal to, you get 27 minus 2 by 3. So now you have to put t is equal to 0. So if you put t is equal to 0, put t is equal to, this is 1. So this is 1 now. So this is 1 now. Okay. So this is what then? 2 by 3. 27 minus 1. This is 26. So that is what? 52 by 3. So your answer is what? 52 by 3. Oh, this is t square, not 4t. This is t square. Therefore, you get wrong now. This is what? 1 plus 4t square now this is. So this is what? 4. 4 into 4, 16. This is 17 now. So this is what? 2 by 3. 17 power. Okay. 17 to power 3 by 2. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. This is the required answer for this one. Okay. So we'll do the next problem. Evaluate integral over c x square dy minus yz dz, where c is the line segment from 4 minus 1 to 2 1 7 minus 1 1 7 minus 1. Okay, solution. let I is equal to integration x square dy minus yz dz. Okay, C is the line segment from 4 minus 1 to 1 7 minus 1. Okay, so r bar of t is equal to 1 minus t first point is what? 4 minus 1 2 plus t 1 7 minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to, will write this is what? 4. Okay, first component will collect what? 4 minus 4t plus t. Okay, so this is what? 4 minus 3t. 4 minus 3t. Okay. Okay, second component what? Minus 1 plus t plus 7t. So this is what? Minus 1 plus 8t. Minus 1 plus 8t. Okay, now next what? 2 minus 2t minus t. So 2 minus 3t. Okay, so this is your x, this is your y, this is your z. Okay, so what? X is equal to 4 minus 3t, y is equal to minus 1 plus 8t, z is equal to 2 minus 3t. Okay, so what is your v bar then? Your v bar, you have to differentiate this. This is minus 3, 8 minus 3. This is your v bar. Okay, what is your mod v bar then? Mod v bar root of 9 plus 64 plus 9. So 64 plus 18 now this is, right? So this is what? 2 and this is 82. So this is what? Root of 82. Root of 82. Actually you don't need this, okay? For this, so you don't need this v bar now here, because it is separately you have given this. You don't need this, okay? So now this is what? dx is equal to what? Minus 3 dt. Minus 3 dt. Actually there is no dx, okay, but we will write this. dy is equal to 8 dt. 8 dt. Okay, dz is equal to minus 3 dt. Okay, we'll put now here I now. I is equal to integration from 0 to 1. Okay, so x square, x is what? 4 minus 3t square. dy, what is dy? 8 dt minus yz, your y is what? Minus 1 plus 8t 2 minus 3t yz. What is dz? dz is what? Minus 3 dt. Okay, so I will take dt common and simplify this. I will simplify. Okay, I will keep this as it is now. This is what? 4 minus 3t bracket square. Because easily I can integrate that. So I will keep this as it is. Minus. Just we will simplify this. Minus minus become plus 3 now. So this is plus 3. Just multiply this. This is what? Minus 2 minus plus 3t plus 16t plus 16t minus 24t. Okay, so I will take dt common now here. Dt common. Okay, so I forgot here 8 now. This 8 is very important now. Okay, just simply no need v bar and this here, because directly the product is given to you. Okay, so no need v bar and this here for this one. Okay, so this is the difference between the previous problem and this. So 0 to 1. Okay, now this is 8. Okay, so while simplifying I will integrate this. This is what then? 4 minus 3t cube upon minus 3 into 3. Upon the coefficient of t now. Okay, so plus 3 into. Okay, what is the constant here? Okay, constant term is same here. So this is what? Minus 2t. Integration of minus 2. We have to integrate this. We'll collect the t now. This is 24t square. Okay, so this is what? 19t. Okay, so plus 19 t square by 2 minus, this is t cube upon 3. So this is minus 8 now. minus this. Okay, so 0 to 1, 8t cube, 8t cube. Okay, so if you put t is equal to 1, we'll put t is equal to 1. So this is what? Minus 8 by 9. This is minus 8 by 9. If you put t is equal to 1, so this is the 1 now here. So if you put here plus 3 into 1, if you put 1, so this is what? Minus 2 plus 19 by 2 minus 8 minus. If you put t is equal to 0, this part is 0, but this part is not 0. This part is not 0. So this 0 is what? 4 cube now. Okay, so 8 minus 8 by 9 into 4 cube. So 64 is there. 64 is there. Okay, so after simplifying, what you get now? So you will simplify this. I will not this. This is 1 0 by this. Okay, this is simple algebra. You can do this. Okay, so I hope that you can do this. Just the answer is what? 109 by 2. Okay, you simplify this. Will not waste our time. Now next, evaluate integral over c 1 plus x cube dx, where c is the right half of the circle, right half of the circle of radius 2 with counter clockwise rotation followed by the line segment from 0 to minus 3 minus 4. Okay, solution. Let r is equal to integral over c 1 dx. Did dx? Yes, it is dx. Okay, so this is what? First c is what? Right half of the circle of radius 2 with counterclockwise rotation, and followed by this. Okay, so this is what? c1 plus c2. This is equal to integration over c1 1 plus x cube dx plus integral over c2 1 plus x cube dx, where c1 is half of the circle of radius 2 and c2 is line joining 0 to and minus 3 minus 4. Okay, so we'll do for a now. Okay, we'll do for c1. Okay, so for c1, okay, so you are in counterclockwise. Your r bar of t is what? R bar of t is equal to, right, a cos t. A means what? 2 cos t I bar plus 2 sin t j bar. Okay, it is half. That means what? T is equal to 0 to pi now. T is equal to 0 to pi, because this is half circle. Counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise this. Okay, this. That means what? Your t is what? minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, counterclockwise. Okay, this is a circle of radius 2. Okay, so half of the circle radius 2, that means from this to this, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so now your viva, so x is equal to what? 2 cos t, y is equal to 2 sin t. Okay, so here you can write dx now. Dx is equal to minus 2 sin t dt, minus 2 sin t dt. As you can do this. Okay, so therefore integral I1 is equal to integral over C1. Directly we write integral instead of integral over C1. So directly your limit is what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 1 plus x cube, 1 plus, your x is what? 2 cos, no, x cube means 8 now here. Okay, 2 cube is also you have to take. X is equal to 2 cos t. Okay, so x cube is equal to what? 8 cos cube t now, 8 cos cube t. Okay, so what is your dx then? Dx, only you want dx only. This is what? Minus 2 sin t dt only. Okay, so here we can write minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so we can write this is what? Minus 2 sin t minus 16. Okay, minus 16 cos cube t sin t dt, sin t dt. Okay, so this part you can integrate, this part you can integrate. Okay, so minus sin 2t, integration of sin is minus cos, so this is what? 2 cos t minus, okay, so now here you write plus here and minus sin t here. So derivative of cos is minus sin t, so we write here plus now, we write here, this is minus sin t. Okay, so 16 also we can write this. This is what? Cos to the power 4t upon 4 upon 4. Okay, so this is what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so now cos pi by 2 is 0, cos pi by 2 is 0, so this is 0 now, this integral is 0. So that means what? Your I1 is 0, your I1 is 0. Because what here? All are pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, cos minus pi by 2 is also 0. So all are 0. So your I1 is 0. I1 is 0. Okay. So B now. Okay. So B. R2 bar of t. Okay. R2 bar of t. So this is what? 1 minus t 0 2 plus t minus 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4. Okay, so we'll do this. So this is 0, so this is what? Minus 3t. So this is what then? 2 minus 2t minus 4t. So this is what? 2 minus 16, 2 minus 16. Okay, so x is equal to what? Minus 3t. Okay, so dx is equal to minus 3 dt, minus 3 dt. Okay, so therefore your I2 is equal to, so you are a straight line, that means your range of t is what? 0 to 1, always 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. So 1 plus x cube, 1 plus x cube, so minus 3 t cube. Your dx is what? Minus 3 dt. You have to take the care of the sign, note that. So this is equal to, so this is what then? 0 to 1 minus 3. So I can take minus 3 inside. What we get then? Minus 3 now. Okay, so minus 3 cube is minus 27. So minus 27 plus 81 t cube. Okay, so dt. You are multiplied by minus. Okay, so now this will be minus 3t plus 81 t raised to 4 upon 4, 0 to 1. So minus 3 plus 81 by 4. Minus 3 plus 81 by 4. So this is what then? 12. So this is what? 69 by 4. 69 by 4. So therefore I is equal to I1 plus I2. So this is 0 plus 69 by 4. So this is 69 by 4. This is what? Minus 12. So minus 12, just you have to subtract from this 81. Okay. So you will get 69 by 4. Your final answer is 69 by 4. Okay, so we'll do one more problem and then we'll stop. Okay. We'll do this problem for exercise. Okay. Evaluate integration from C to x square dy minus xy dx, where C is the line segment from 1 minus 5 to minus 2 minus 3 followed by the portion of y is equal to 1 minus x square from x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 2 with interval is followed by the line segment from 2 minus 3 to 4 minus 3. Okay, solution. Let I is equal to C twice x square dy minus xy dx. Okay, so first of all, what? C is the segment joining by this, then followed by this portion of this, and then from this. Okay, so that means these are three curves. Okay, so this is equal to integration of C1 twice x square dy minus xy dx plus integration C2 twice x square dy minus xy dx plus integration C3 twice x square dy minus xy dx. Okay, C1, C2, C3. Okay, where C1 is the line segment joining the points 1 minus 5 and minus 2 minus 3. C2 is y is equal to 1 minus x square from x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 2. Okay, and C3 is line joining the points 2 minus 3 and 4 minus 3. Okay, so for C1 R bar of t 1 minus t into 1 minus 5 plus t minus 2 minus 3 is equal to, what is that? 1 minus t into 1, that is 1 minus t minus 2t 1 minus 3t. Then you have to multiply by minus 5. So this is minus 5 plus 5t, and this is minus 3. 5t minus 3t is 2t. Okay, 2t. So this is what? minus 5 plus 2t. Okay, so that means your x is what? 1 minus 3t. Your y is what? Minus 5 plus 2t. Okay, so what is dx? Minus 3 dt. What is dy? 2 dt. Okay, so I1 is equal to integral over c twice x square. Okay, so we write in bracket. Okay, twice x is what? 1 minus 3t bracket square. Your dy is what? Dy is 2 dt. Okay, so 2 dt minus xy minus x is what? 1 minus 3t minus 5 plus 2t dx is what? I will write bracket dt. Okay, so this you have to write. Okay, so now if you simplify this, so just we will simplify integral over c1 means what? You can write this instead of this, you can write 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, so just we will write this what? 4 1 minus 3t bracket square. This we will keep this as it is. Okay, so now this is what? Minus 1 become this is 3. We'll multiply. This is what? Minus 5 plus 2t minus 5 plus 2t plus 15t minus 6t square minus 6t square. Oh, bracket open bracket you have to write, and then this is dt. Then this is dt. Then this is dt. Okay, so this is equal to now then we'll integrate this. Okay, as usual now. This is what? 4 1 minus 3t cube upon minus 9 plus 3 into. Okay, we'll simplify and integrate. Minus 5t. Okay, so this is 17t. So this is what? 17t square by 2. Then this is what? Minus 6t. So minus 6t cube by 3. And this is what? 0 to 1. This is 0 to 1. Okay, so we put this is what? Minus 4 by 9. We'll put t is equal to 1 now. If you put t is equal to 1 here, so this is what? Is minus 2. This will be what? Minus 2. And this is what? Minus 8 then. Minus 8. Okay, plus 3. This is minus 5 plus 17 by 2 minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, so this is complete. Minus. You have to put t is equal to 0 now. For the second part, t is 0, okay, no problem. So 0. Then this is what? Minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9 here. Okay, so if you simplify this, so you will see that the answer is see here. If you see here, minus this is what? 32. This is plus 32. Again, this is 32 is 36. So this will be the 4 now. There is no 9 by 2. This is 4. Okay. Now this answer is what? This is minus 8 now. Minus 8 now. And this is what? Minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. Is minus 16. Minus 16. So this is half only. So this is what is 3 by 2 only. This total answer is what? Just half now. So this is what then? 12. 12 plus 3. So 12 plus. This is what? 8 now. 8 plus 3. Oh, this answer is what? This is 2 now. This is 2, not 3. This is 2. So this is what? Minus 7 now. This is minus 7. Minus 7 into 2. Minus 7 into 2. Minus 7 into 2. So minus 14. Minus 14 plus this. So this is what? Minus 14. Minus 14. Okay. Minus 14 plus 17 is 3. So this is 9 by 2. This is 8. means this is 17 by 2. So this is 17 by 2. Okay. So your I1 is 17 by 2. 17 by 2. Okay. Now we'll go for C2 now. We'll go for C2. Okay. So for C2, y is equal to 1 minus x square. So dy is equal to minus twice x dx. dy is equal to minus twice x dx. Okay. Range of x is given to you. So your I is what? Integration from x is what? Minus 2 to 2. Minus 2 to 2. Okay. So twice x square. Okay. We are integrating with respect to x. So this is twice x square. Okay. What is your dy? dy is what? Minus twice x dx. Minus twice x dx. Minus x. What is y? 1 minus x square. What is dx? What is dx? Dx is dx now. Okay. So now this is what? Minus 2 to 2. Minus 2 to 2. So this is what? Minus 4x cube. Okay. So this is minus x plus x cube dx. Minus x cube dx. Okay. So this is what then? Minus 2 to 2. Okay. So directly we will integrate this. Directly we will integrate this. So this is what? Minus 3. Okay. It will be what? Minus 3. So this is what? Minus 3 x to the power by 4. Okay. Then minus x is there. This is what? X cube is what? X cube. This is what? Minus 3. And we are integrating this x to the power 4. This is minus x. So minus x square upon 2. This is what then? Limit is what? Limit is minus 2. 2. Okay. So we will put 2. We will put 2. Okay. So if you put 2 here, this is what? 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is a 16. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 upon 4. 16 upon 4 is 4 only. Okay. So this is minus 12. This is minus 12. Okay. Now this is minus 2. Minus. Again, if you put this is minus 12. This is only minus 12. Okay. So minus 2. Okay. This is minus 2. Again minus 2. So this will be the 0 now. Your I2 is what? 0. Your I2 is 0. So your I2 is what? 0. Now we do for I3 now. Your I3. Okay. For C3. R3 bar of t is equal to 1 minus t, 2 minus 3 plus t, 4 minus 3. Okay. So this is what then? This is what? 2 minus 2t. 2 minus 2t. This is minus 2t plus 4t. So this is 2t. This is minus 3 plus 3t minus 3t. So this is only the minus 3. Only the minus 3. Okay. So your x is what? X is equal to 2 plus 2t. Okay. So your dx is what? Your okay. Here y also. Here y is what? Minus 3. So your dx is what? 2 dt and your dy is what? 0. Okay. So this is your I3 then. Your I3 is equal to integration from 0 to 1. Your dy is 0. So no problem for dy 0. So minus x. What is your x? X is 2 plus 2t. 2 plus 2t. Okay. What is your y? Y is minus 3. Y is minus 3. Okay. Y is minus 3. Dx. What is your dx? 2 dt. 2 dt. So this is what? 0 to 1. Okay. So minus plus okay. This is 3. So 3 means 6. Okay. 6 means 12. Is it 2 plus 2t? Okay. 12. 12 plus 12t dt. This is what? 12t plus 6t square plus 6t square. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. To 1. So this is what 18 now. This is 18. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is 18. Okay, so this is your I3 now. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Your I1 is what? 17 by 2 plus 0 plus 18 plus 3. So this is 36. 36 plus 36 plus 17. So this is what? 53 by 2. So 53 by 2 is the correct answer. Okay. I will give you one exercise to you now. Evaluate integration over C x ds. Now this is okay for each of the following curves. So these are the separate problems. So C1 y is equal to x square minus 1 less than equal to 1. Okay. C2 the line segment joining minus 1 1 to 1 1. Okay. And C3 your B your C the line segment from 1 1 to minus 1 1. So now you have x dx is there. Okay. So here what you have to put for one you have to put x is equal to t. So y will be what? T square. Okay. So now your r bar is what then? R bar is equal to t I bar plus y plus t square j bar. You can find v bar now. Okay. Now range of t is what here then? X is minus 1 to 1 now. Okay. So when x is minus 1, when x is minus 1, your t is minus 1. When x is 1, your t is 1. So your range of t is what? Minus 1 to 1. Okay. So this is minus 1 less than equal to t less than 1. Okay. So now you can do this for first one. For second and third one is not easy. Is not difficult for you. Okay. So I hope that you can do this one. Okay. So now we will stop here. Thank you.